Alright, we just got through with this brand new 2018 G3. Belongs to Jason Wolfe of South Carolina. We put 18 rod holders of our rages in just black. We done our track mounts for the G3. Come on back, I want to show you what all we done for it. We put our, something we've been working on is a cutting board tube that can take this thing, unscrew it, move it to the other side, or move it to the top of the bar. Put our adjustable rod bar on the back of it. He can loosen up here, loosen down here, slide this bar up, so he ain't got to step up on the back deck. But it's a nice boat. Congratulations, Jason, and y'all check him out, Wolfe's Guide Service. And there it is. Let them pull.